Hello everybody, Colleen here from Chalk Couture, using a brand new transfer that I received. It's called Typewriter. It is an awesome transfer. It's a rather large transfer actually, and you notice that I wrote on the back of the transfer itself onto the carrier sheet that it is the typewriter transfer, so that I knew to put my transfer back on the right side. Here is one of my first goofs in this video. You see that my transfer actually stuck to itself because it is a brand new transfer. It's extra sticky and I forgot to fuzz it, which probably would have been smart, but no worries because I just took my time and took it apart and didn't stretch it, so it is perfectly fine, no harm done. So what I'm doing now is I'm just making sure that there's no bubbles in my transfer. I'm using my chocolate chalk paste, which is amazing. And here is goof number 2 in this video. You notice I put a big drop down onto my transfer where there was no silkscreen. I guess I wasn't paying attention, and in the middle there where it's blue, that's obviously not a silkscreen, so you don't need to put chalk there. But anyway, moving right along, I'm just spreading out my chalk paste across my transfer, just making sure that I actually do cover the silkscreen, and yeah, so we're just going ahead and making sure that it's completely covered. As you can see, this is, as I mentioned, a rather large transfer, so it takes a little bit, but when you have the extra large squeegee like I do, it makes the process go that much faster. So it's pretty simple. It only took me a few minutes just to go ahead and cover the whole transfer with the chalk paste. The board that I'm using is actually a wood board from Home Depot that I whitewashed and then put a little bit of stain on and then put some wax over top of it. And it's so easy to do. I love using wood for my transfers. You can use many different types of mediums. Look how amazing that came out. Oh, it looks so good because the stain is like a dark walnut stain, so it just looks so good on that wood. So that's the typewriter. I'm also using a transfer that I received last night, Dreams Do Come True. Love that transfer. And I decided to do that in periwinkle. I almost had forgotten there to write on the back of my transfer so that you know when you're putting your transfer back after you've cleaned it, you want to make sure that you're putting it on the right side. So that's very important to do. So just make sure you do that when you have your brand new transfers. It's not the end of the world if it does stick. I would just put it right into water if you do accidentally put it on the wrong side. Fortunately, I didn't do that in this video, so we are good to go. I'm going to use periwinkle on the board. As you can see, I don't know why my video froze there, but it seems to be okay now. So anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the same process. Just take my chalk paste, put it across the transfer, the silkscreen. Remember that the silkscreen transfers from Chalk Couture are reusable between 20 and 30 times if you take care of them. And when I say take care of them, what I mean by that is once you are done with your transfer, you just get it into a pan of water, let it soak for a few minutes. When you take it out of the pan of water, you're just going to clean it with a Clorox wipe so that way it brings the sticky back onto the sticky side of your transfer, and then you are good to go and use it many, many times and for many different projects. If you, by chance, are interested in finding out more about these amazing products or would be interested in becoming a member of my team, you can go to https://colleen.chalkcouture.com, and you can join right on my site, or you can purchase these amazing products. One of the specials that we have going on right now is 6 transfers, all fall pre-selected colors, and you pay the price of 5 transfers, so you're basically getting 1 transfer free. That's an amazing deal, and I highly encourage you to jump online and purchase that because there's so many different projects that you can make with the amazing fall colors. You can see in the background I have fall leaves, which you can use the fall colors in the Rocktober chalk pastille and create amazing leaves. Here's my finished project. I hope you guys liked it, and if you would be so kind as to like and share my video, I would truly appreciate it. Have a wonderful night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.